Hi, welcome to DevStack AI Ops. Whoever watching this channel, please subscribe and also don't forget to comment about your queries and feedbacks. Click on that bell icon so that you will get all the notifications. So we have already discussed about containers and we have discussed the isolation of the containers. Now we'll talk about Docker, right? So what is Docker? So when we are talking about Docker, right? So it is completely an open source platform which changed everything for the developers. So it is a platform for building, shipping and running applications inside a container. So it separates your applications from the computer that running on and also making software delivery incredibly fast and reliable. So how it started? So Docker has started in 2013, but the concept of containers was there before Docker started. Okay, so containers concept is available before Docker started, but Docker had made it very easy to build and ship those containers. Okay, so otherwise before the Docker, container technology was very complex, but Docker has made it very easy to ship those containers, I would say. Okay, so Docker provided a simple tools, maybe like a simple API which let anyone to package their application into a container, right, without needing to an expert. Like you don't need to be an expert, but you can easily package your application as a container using a simple API. That is what Docker has made. And also they have introduced something called layered images. Okay, so we'll talk about them, but this was a game changer because, for example, think of making a package with clear stackable layers. If you want to change any item, you just swap one layer. Instead of completely changing that box, you'll just swap that layer so that your complete image will be intact. Okay, so that is how they have made the Docker, and it is a revolution, and it was a revolution, and it is a revolution right now. So right now Docker is more than just a tool. It is having complete platform now. So when I'm saying complete platform, it has different range of products for the developers. You can run a desktop. Okay, so you can have a Docker desktop which is for the personal workshop, or if you want to make it as a personal packing station. Okay, so you can use the Docker desktop, and it is completely user friendly application for your Windows. Nothing but whenever you are having a graphical user interfaces like Windows or Mac systems, it is very easy for you to download Docker desktop and you can work right away. Okay, so next is the Docker engine. So it's the core technology. Actually, whenever we are talking about Docker engine, this is the core technology which does the heavy lifting of actually running and managing your containers on a server. So whenever you are running your applications, this Docker engine is the one which manages and which runs your containers. Then there is Docker Hub. So Docker Hub is something like where all your containers are stored. Nothing but it's a registry. You can say it as a cloud-based registry where developers can find and they can store and they can share tens of thousands of pre-built containers. Okay, so where you can get them from? You can get them from Docker Hub. So completely Docker is a complete platform right now. It's just not a tool, but Docker also has the commercial offerings. Okay, so its core products are open source, and it is supported by many community contributors right now, but they also have some commercial offerings as well. Okay, not only open source, they also have the commercial offering. So that is what the Docker is all about. So containers are there before Docker, but that was very complex. Then Docker came into the picture and they have showed how quickly, or how they made it very easy, like how to ship and build your images or applications. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Bye.